Do you want website to look the same as they do on a computer? Maybe the mobile version hides some menus or change the layout. Today I will show you how to enable desktop side view in Samsung Internet on the Galaxy S25 Ultra. Once this option is on, Samsung Internet will try to load the desktop version of website by default. Let me show you how to turn it on and how to check it that it works. To do so, open Samsung Internet. Tap the three horizontal line icon at the bottom right, then tap Setting. Tap Webpage View and Scrolling. Now enable Show Desktop Site. This will make Samsung Internet load desktop version when possible. To see how this feature works, go back to the home page. Visit a website. As you can see, now you see the desktop layout with the sidebar and the full-size menus just like on a computer. However, if a website becomes hard to read, you can simply go back and turn off the desktop site. And that's it. Now you can browse the desktop version of website anytime you need full features or a wider layout. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.